to be doing a fall makeup look. As you guys see in my tutorial, I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look that my friend Rainey suggested. Said to do something with like autumn leaves in it, and I thought it was a really good idea to do, especially since it's the fall time right now. I like drew it out. I'm not the best at drawing faces. I suck at drawing faces. Cartoon characters, that's my style. I can draw those leaves because honestly your girl cannot draw leaves for sure. So I guess let's get started. I'm just gonna put on this Skin Nutrients Biotonics Vitamin C 1% serum just so my skin isn't dry. And I'm going to take my concealer. So this is the Liquid Camouflage Eye Coverage Concealer by Empress or Cat Rice. I don't freaking know. And this is in the shade Fair Ivory. Use New Color BB Beauty the New Color BB Beauty Benefit Cream in Light 1. Just adding a little bit more concealer. And then set it with the Cuddy Earth Spun Face Loose Powder and Translucent Extra Coverage. And next I'm going to go to the other colors of the Makeup Contour Palette. Eyebrows, the Profusion's Brow Complete Brow Kit. For the same setting powder, just bake the face. I'm going to start with the red, so I take the Changeable Fantasy palette. The red, I'm just putting that in the crease. I'm not going to go too crazy with it, just packing that on. I'm not blending it yet. Take this like pinkish shade and use that as a transition color. I'm gonna pack a little bit more red on so it looks more red instead of pink. I'm gonna take concealer or foundation and just make a cut crease. The orange that on the outer part of the lid but not in the middle. Also going to be adding this orange as well just to darken it up and make it more of like a fall color. And then I'm going to take some more red and just add that to the outer part and blend it. I'm just going to take a flat brush, some yellow, and add that to my inner part of the lid. Take some light green and add that to the inner part. Whatever is on the excess brush, put on a little lash line. Take another flat brush, and I'm going into the Too Faced Life's a Festival Peace Love Unicorns palette. Mix Fun in the Sun and Fireflies together, adding that where the yellow is. This MAC cream eyeshadow, the same thing with the orange. And then I also took the green in it and added that to the inner corner. I take a angled brush and I'm going to be taking the Violet Voss I'll Live Forever palette. And I'm taking Infinity, which is this black shade, and doing a wing eyeliner. Before I actually put on the eyelashes and stuff, let's put on some blush. So I'm going to the e.l.f. Peach Squad one. Now we're going to draw the acorns. This really skinny little brush. Onto this Dorado Colors Pro Shadow Portfolio. And we're going to take this shade. This shade right here. I need a very light outline the leaf. There's one side and there's the other side. This side turned out way better than this side. And then take the red and just outline it. Lashes. So I'm just going to be using the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. So I'm going to use this style. Can't really see. This one. So I take this City Color Collection matte lipstick in the shade. I have no idea. And then I'm going to go into the Uka Bane highlight palette and just add highlight. So here's the makeup. I like this side a lot better. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, turn on the... Why do I always pick this up? If you guys enjoy, please like, subscribe, turn on the bell so you guys are notified every time I upload. Upload every single Sunday and Wednesday at 2:35 Mountain Standard Time. So make sure you are subscribed and the bell's turned on. Go follow my TikToks. My main is Queen Alexia _YTT. And my beauty TikTok is Queen Beauty _YT if you are into makeup. So make sure you go follow me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.